International School Agra wishes you a very happy Deepavali with Anjeer Khajur rolls, the ingredients for which are flashed on your screen. This is poppy seed which you will dry roast, after which you put 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast your gound. Then the chopped nuts go into it and keep them aside in a bowl. I had soaked the dates and the figs for almost half an hour to 45 minutes. You can do that. So that just drawing your attention to the beautiful poster of Buddha, which reminds me to fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. That is why we are doing all these things together, so that Diwali becomes a family affair, and then we have stories for the rest of our lives to relate to our children. The dates and fig mixture now will go into the same pan as where we had fried our nuts, the dry fruits. So this is the consistency of this mixture. It is a little sticky. Heat so that see how nice it is. This is required so that the extra moisture that is there in the dates and in the paste, that goes away. So you see how easy it is to make this roll. That is the khajur and anjeer roll. So I find anjeer a better word for figs because it sounds very nice. Anjeer, khajur and anjeer. It takes us back to Persia, from where all these things come. It's very healthy. We have used very little oil up till now, which you have seen. Anjeer and khajur roll has been my all-time favorite for the winter, and it's been almost so many years now that I used to make it, and children would love it. But let me tell you, we were introduced to this sweet not from the market but from somebody, a close friend of ours, who'd come from Dubai, and they brought this very special mithai, and we all loved it. And then when I just got into the details, I could see that it has all those ingredients which were quite easily identifiable. These are the nuts, and now this paste goes into the nuts. This is that gound which I had fried earlier, and this will also be made into a powder. So this is a very important ingredient. Though I know the other recipes that you might get on the YouTube or in the market, they may not be using this, the gound, this ingredient. But this is one of the very healthy, no fat ingredient. These are the currants, that is kishmish, which also I soaked for around say half an hour. Now this goes into it, and this has been fried also on very low flame. Then I had these blueberries. This time I got these blueberries because they've come all the way from Kashmir, which Vishal brought for me. So these go into it. Now this is the final mixture that is ready. I think one roll, one small piece each day is good enough with a hot cup of milk, and it is good for the diabetic patients, children as well as the elders at home. Khaskhas, this is very good for brain and for emotional health. The kings and queens used to have this a lot. So little bit in this, and the rest I will leave for the cover. See, and now because it is turning cold, so it is thickening also. I have this sheet, and on that I have spread some oil, not very liberally but a good amount, and then this whole thing will be transported onto this. So this goes here. Once everything is mixed, so that has to be put here in the this sheet, with greased sheet, and then you can just roll it tightly and put it in the fridge. Leave it for around 2 hours. After which you can cut it. Either you remove the sheet or you can cut it like this also. It is very easy to serve like this. You can see the rolls, and I can decorate it like this because it is Diwali, so they will be for this presentation Diwali. You can serve it like this. See for yourself how tasty and how nutritious this delight is. So please, my suggestion, at least make it once. Give it a try. Thank you.